Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cleaning the scene, import your model, confirm units, and fix any flipped normals so lighting behaves predictably. Then switch to animation mode and enable the timeline. This gives you control over keyframes and timing. Make sure to set the frame rate, 24 for film, 30 for general video, because it affects motion smoothness. Group and name parts and lock anything that shouldn't move, so when you add motion later, you only animate the intended objects. Once the timeline is ready, add transform tracks to the parts you want to animate. Set keyframes for position, rotation, and scale at meaningful frames so you control intent. At the same time, animate the camera using dolly and orbit tracks and add a target track to keep focus on your subject. Make sure to preview at reduced quality so you iterate fast. To make movement natural, adjust easing with the graph editor. Soft in and out prevents mechanical starts and stops. Finalize by refining lighting and enabling motion blur if you need streaks or realism, and bake your animation when using complex simulations so playback matches render. Set resolution and samples based on output. Higher samples reduce noise but increase time. Export multiple passes, beauty, shadow, and ambient occlusion for safer color correction. Before committing, test render short sections to spot artifacts. If you see stuttering, check keyframes and bake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.